today's digital world, data security is more important than ever. Companies of all sizes handle sensitive customer information, financial data, and trade secrets. That's where role-based access control, or RBAC, comes in as a critical cybersecurity best practice. Are you ready to learn how it can safeguard your business? Let's dive in. So what exactly is role-based access control? Well, imagine RBAC as a digital gatekeeper. It controls who can access what information and perform which actions within your organization's systems. Think of it like this: roles, these are job functions within your company. Like sales representative, HR manager, or software engineer permissions, these are the specific actions that someone in a role can do, like read customer data, update payroll information, or modify code. RBAC ties roles and permissions together. Instead of assigning permissions to individual users, you assign them to roles. Then, each user gets a role based on their job responsibilities. It's a streamlined and efficient way to manage security. Let's talk about the benefits of RBAC. Enhanced security. RBAC follows the principle of least privilege. This means users only get the access they absolutely need to do their jobs. This limits the potential damage if an account is hacked or an employee makes a mistake. Improved compliance. Many industries have regulations like HIPAA or GDPR. RBAC helps you demonstrate that you're properly controlling access to sensitive data. Scalability. As your company grows, RBAC makes it easy to onboard new employees and manage changing roles. You don't have to constantly update individual permissions. Okay, but how does RBAC actually work in practice? Let's look at a couple of examples. Healthcare scenario. A hospital might use RBAC to make sure that doctors can view patient records, nurses can update medical charts, and billing staff can only access financial information. Software development scenario. RBAC might give developers access to code repositories, testers access to testing environments, and project managers access to reporting tools. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for successful RBAC implementation plan. Thoroughly analyze your organization's roles and the permissions each role needs. Start simple, roll out RBAC gradually, beginning with a few critical systems or departments. Regular reviews. Audit your RBAC setup periodically to ensure permissions are still aligned with job functions. By implementing role-based access control, you're taking a powerful step towards protecting your organization's valuable data. If you want to learn more about RBAC tools and techniques, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips.